Spam. Some call it a delicious, salty snack. Others might call it a strange canned mystery. But no matter how you feel about it, one thing's for sure, Spam has achieved legendary status in the American culinary world. But how much do we actually know about Spam? From its origins to the machines that make it, today we're diving deep into the story of Spam. Welcome to our 30-minute journey into everything Spam. Our story begins with the Hormel family. Back in 1891, George A. Hormel founded his company, initially specializing in canned pork products. But it was his son, J.C. Hormel, who would go on to change the company's trajectory entirely. Pork shoulder, a tough and unwanted cut of meat, was cheap and abundant. Jay saw potential where others didn't and wanted to turn this overlooked part of the pig into something people could easily buy, store, and cook. Jay Hormel didn't know what to call it at first, so he set up a contest at a New Year's party in 1936, promising $100 to the winner. Kenneth Deneau, an actor and friend, claimed the prize after suggesting Spam. Kevin Myers, Hormel's SVP of Research and Development, explained to Fox News.
Spam, which they put as SP as spice, and the AM from ham, and put that together as Spam.
Spam was launched with a massive marketing campaign in July 1937.
Spam, 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 spam. Hormel's new
Radio jingles and magazine ads introduced Americans to this new and versatile product. By the early 1940s, it was a household name. During World War II, Spam became a staple in military rations, as it could be easily transported and stored without refrigeration. The product was a hit among soldiers who took it home with them, introducing Spam to kitchens worldwide. In America, it became a beloved breakfast side. In Hawaii, Spam musubi has become almost as famous as the canned meat itself. It's a fusion of Japanese onigiri and Hawaiian flavors, and Spam is the perfect addition. In South Korea, Spam is a luxury item, often given as a premium gift during Lunar New Year. It's commonly used in dishes like budae jjigae, or army stew, and for many, it's a comforting taste of home and a symbol of resilience. Spam production began in Austin, Minnesota, the birthplace of Hormel Foods, and has since expanded to state-of-the-art facilities worldwide, including South Korea, the Philippines, and Denmark, ensuring consistent quality for fans across the globe. Hormel carefully sources pork and ham, ensuring only the highest quality cuts make it into the mix. Pork shoulder provides texture, while the ham adds subtle smoky notes. Salt and sodium nitrite act as preservatives, giving Spam its signature pink color. Another essential ingredient in Spam is potato starch. Introduced to the recipe in 2009, potato starch helps lock in moisture during Spam's long cooking process. Without it, the meat would be dry and crumbly. The process starts with separating the pork shoulder meat from the bone using hydraulic presses. Ham is trimmed manually to ensure precise cuts. These meats are sorted into white, fattier, and red, leaner pieces to maintain consistency. The sorted pork and ham are ground to a uniform texture, then weighed into 8,000-pound batches. A metal detector is used to make sure nothing has gotten into the batch in any part of the process. The meat is transferred into vacuum mixers, where the other ingredients and water are added. This vacuum process reduces air and minimizes liquid release during cooking. The mixed product is then portioned into individual metal cans. The filling process is highly precise, ensuring each can contains the perfect amount of Spam. Once filled, lids are applied through vacuum sealing to lock in freshness. But here's an interesting fact. At this stage, Spam is still raw. This brings us to one of the most unique aspects of Spam's production. It's cooked inside the can. The filled cans go through hydrostatic cookers that use steam and pressure to heat and cool the meat. This cooking process takes about 2 hours, ensuring food safety, flavor, and a long shelf life without the need for refrigeration. Once cooked and cooled, the cans are ready for labeling. Automatic machines wrap each can with that familiar Spam label before they're boxed up and prepared for shipping. quality control is a top priority. Once cooked, the cans are cooled and stored for up to 10 days to ensure the product's integrity. Every 1,000th can undergo extensive testing, from heating at 100 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure proper sealing to bacteria tests. Only when each batch passes these tests is it cleared for distribution. Spam's popularity has led to a range of flavors over the years. Besides the classic version, Spam comes in varieties like teriyaki, jalapeno, hickory smoked, and even a figgy pudding limited edition for Christmas. These new flavors have helped Spam remain relevant and expand its customer base worldwide. Spam provides a convenient source of protein, but it's also high in sodium due to the curing process. That sodium, along with the addition of sodium nitrate, allows Spam to stay safe on shelves for years. Properly stored, a can of Spam can last nearly indefinitely, making it popular as an emergency food supply. Spam's cultural impact is undeniable. In Austin, Minnesota, there's even a Spam museum celebrating the brand's legacy. The product has inspired festivals, contests, and even made its way into pop culture through appearances in movies, TV shows, and music.
Egg, bacon, spam and sausage without the spam. What do you mean?
For many, a Spam isn't just food, it's nostalgia and a reminder of simpler times. Whether you see it as a nostalgic treat, a survival staple, or a cultural icon, Spam has certainly earned its place in American history. Its journey from a simple canned meat to a global brand is a story of innovation, adaptability, and resilience. So next time you crack open a can of Spam, remember, you're tasting a little slice of history. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into Spam. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more food history and behind-the-scenes videos. And share your favorite way to enjoy Spam in the comments below.